Alright, today we're in Highland, Utah, and we are working on this sprinkler head here. What happened is kind of got hit by the mower or trimmer. The whole stem is broke, the nozzle's gone, so we had to replace the sprinkler head. But as we started digging it up, we found that there is this connection which connected to a T, a funny T. But as we started digging it up to take it out, the funny T broke, so we had to dig it back to here is where the new sprinkler head's going to go. We had to dig it back so we can get enough pipe so we can get this fitting on here. What this is, it's Austin's holding here is a funny T, 1/2 inch funny T for funny pipe is what it is. And then he's going to go ahead and put that on. We'll show you how to install this funny T. These are called, there's like barbed fittings, so they're kind of difficult to get in. That's why you clear back a little bit more so you can wrench on it and twist it and push it in as far as it can go. You can see it takes a lot of pressure. Just have to be kind of aggressive with it. And there you go. That's how you install a funny T for
up to the
funny
last
pipe.
ring.
Yep. See these little rings right here? These little barbs is what they're called. If you can extend the funny pipe and get it over all those barbs, then it'll be good and that fitting won't pop off. And we'll go ahead and measure this out. Like I said, that's funny pipe. We'll get that cut. These handy pipe cutters. That same thing, this is a funny L going onto a barb fitting. You can see how you got to be aggressive with it, push it on. It's on there now. I'll go ahead and get that put onto the T. And there you go. That's how you install a funny T with the funny pipe into a funny L and then twist onto the sprinkler head. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.